Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the GK GAMAKay. This is the NS68 wireless gaming keyboard. So this thing's pretty cool because it has the Hall effect, which is the magnetic switches for very quick response. Very great for shooting games and different games. So this is a great gaming keyboard off of Amazon. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, and then we'll do a sound test, and then finally a gaming test to see is the Hall effect keyboards actually worth it. Let's find out. All right, guys, like I mentioned, we have a unboxing here of the NS68 from GK GAMAKay. This is a Hall effect keyboard and one of the more budget options. So let's take a look at this thing. Very simple look here, which honestly I kind of like. This is a smaller layout here, and you can see the collab here. You got the Enough Shark on here, and then you do have a little handle here which you can attach this onto if you would like. So in terms of what comes in the box, we have a rubber USB-C charging cable, pretty standard there, and no extra keys or anything. That is it. So it doesn't even come with a switch or keycap puller. So you can see USB-C right there. Give you a look at all the sides here. Now in terms of flex, actually very little flex in this board, which is pretty impressive. Give you a close-up here. All black look to it. We'll get into a sound test soon, but the main kind of thing here is going to be that Hall effect. This is almost 100% meant for gaming, and it's going to be very nice for it. So we will do a gaming test shortly, but let's do the sound test real quick. Okay, so first thoughts on the sound. Very average, unfortunately. It almost sounds like it's totally hollow on the inside. If they had put like some foam or some gaskets in there, that would have made a big difference. But like I mentioned, the highlight here is the Hall effect, the gaming performance. This would not be a keyboard that you would get just to use in the office every day. This would be one that you were getting to game specifically. So let's try that out. I'm pretty excited to see how big of a difference it makes. So let's go ahead and try the Hall effect keyboard from GK GAMAKay versus a standard keyboard. So it doesn't make as big of a difference as I was expecting. All right, I think the easiest way to see this was just tapping on this. I can only go so fast, whereas on the Hall effect, I'm going very fast because it's instantly recognizing my fingers. So the Hall effect is magnetic effect, which makes it so the second you press the key, it's overriding the other one. So you can see here. Which that is the same behavior. So CSGO has maybe patched that. But overall, I can definitely jerk side to side faster on that one than I can on this one. This one requires like perfect timing, whereas this one does not require perfect timing. So check it out, guys. A pretty sweet keyboard, and I'll have links down below and leave the rest of my keyboard reviews up here.